Since the dawn of time, humanity has sought to overcome the limits of mortality. Aging has been the great enigma defining human existence. Philosophers, alchemists, and scientists have dreamed of discovering a fountain of youth. But only now, in the 21st century, science is increasingly close to unraveling the secret code of aging. What if we could stop or even reverse the effects of time? What if every person had the chance to live more years in a healthy, disease-free body? This is not a fantasy taken from science fiction. It is a reality taking shape in laboratories around the world. Aging is not just a natural phase of life, but a complex biological process. Understanding how we age brings us closer to the possibility of delaying old age and combating associated diseases. In this fascinating journey, we will explore the mysteries science is unraveling and envision a future where aging does not mean frailty or suffering. Aging begins at the cellular level. Every time a cell divides, telomeres, protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, shorten. When telomeres become too short, cells stop dividing and enter a state called senescence, where they no longer function properly. These aged cells accumulate in the body, contributing to the deterioration of our tissues and organs. However, telomere shortening is not the only cause of aging. Several biological processes are involved. Oxidative damage * reactive oxygen molecules, free radicals, cause cellular damage over time. Mitochondrial dysfunction * the mitochondria, our cells' energy factories, lose efficiency with age. Epigenetics * over time. Changes in gene expression patterns occur, affecting cells' ability to regenerate. Aging is also linked to a decline in immune system function, making the body more vulnerable to infections and diseases. But if this process is biological, is it possible to intervene to slow it down or even reverse it? In the past decade, research on aging has advanced exponentially. Scientists are exploring groundbreaking interventions to combat aging on multiple fronts. Gene therapy * researchers are working on manipulating key genes related to longevity. One example is the FOXO3 gene, which has been associated with longer lifespans in studies of centenarians. Telomere extension * experiments with mice have shown that reactivating telomerase, the enzyme that maintains long telomeres, can extend life and improve health. Additionally, senolytics, drugs capable of eliminating senescent cells, are being developed, significantly improving tissue function and reducing age-related diseases. It has also been discovered that certain natural compounds, such as resveratrol found in red wine, can activate molecular pathways associated with longevity. Another exciting frontier is the study of intermittent fasting and calorie restriction. Both practices appear to activate cellular repair mechanisms, helping to extend lifespan and reduce metabolic diseases. As knowledge advances, the possibility of living beyond 100 years becomes more realistic, but with a crucial difference: not just living longer, but living better. Today, reaching old age often comes with issues like Alzheimer's, heart disease, and cancer, but scientists are determined to change this. The goal is not just to extend lifespan, but to increase what they call health span, the years a person can live in full health. Major institutions like the Buck Institute for Research on Aging and tech companies like Calico, backed by Google, are investing resources to discover how we can control aging. These advancements make us question: are we entering an era where aging will no longer be an inevitable fate? Could it be possible for a future generation to never experience aging as we know it? However, the promise of extending human life raises important ethical questions. Who will have access to these treatments? If longevity becomes a privilege for the few, how could this exacerbate social and economic inequalities? Moreover, we face questions about the environmental and resource impact on the planet. If everyone lived longer, how will we manage population growth? Beyond practical challenges, a philosophical question arises: are we ready to live longer lives? Death has been a fundamental part of human experience, shaping our decisions and giving meaning to our lives. Extending life, then, is not just a scientific challenge, but a profound transformation of our understanding of existence. We are closer than ever to cracking the secret code of aging. The coming years will be crucial in determining whether these advancements can be implemented safely, effectively, and equitably. The possibility of living longer, disease-free lives represents a new chapter in human history. And while the challenges are many, so is the hope for a future where aging is not an obstacle, but just another stage to be fully enjoyed. We don't know exactly when these advancements will be available to everyone, but what is clear is that we are witnessing an unprecedented biological revolution. Science is giving us the tools to take control of our destiny, and it's possible that in just a few decades, our notions of age and aging will change forever. Aging is no longer an unsolvable mystery. It's in our hands to create a future where living longer means living better. Time is the greatest resource we have, and we are closer than ever to winning that battle. Aging is a code we are beginning to decipher. What would you do if you knew you could live 120 healthy years? What dreams and goals would you pursue if you had more time? Science is offering us a historic opportunity to extend human life beyond known limits. The future is not just a distant place. We are building it today. If you want to be part of this revolution, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this message. The battle against aging has just begun. Together, we can make a difference. The time is now.